I got now my makeup, my habits wenziwayo.
But
Then they're good for the stage.
Nice. It was really nice.
And that's the thing. Some things are good for day to day, some things are good for the stage.
I don't like how I look good. I looked good on stage.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Hello Sunny Bonani, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am bringing you my fellow love technician, Nonto R.
Yay! Sanibonani ku YouTube channel. Because YouTube channel will be TV.
It's better than TV. Us YouTubers respect it better than TV, and we love it and watch it more than TV.
Wow. Yeah, and it's very informative.
It is. Everything, anything that if you have a question, YouTube has an answer.
YouTube channel.
Yeah. Yep. You have a question, YouTube has an answer. How to put on shoes. How to wash your underwear.
Very useful answer.
Yes. How to peel an onion. Everything. We've just finished doing a comedy show in Durban, hosted by Nonto R, headlined by moi.
Yes.
Thank you very much. It was a beautiful, beautiful show. All women.
All women, from the camera lady to
stage
the
manager,
DJ, to the stage manager, to the everyone is female. To the door,
except the audience.
To the door ladies, everyone is
Yeah.
female, because we are kumbula like mina ngihlale ngicabanga ngo-auntie bam ukuthi when they were growing up they were not allowed to go to school because abazali babo said they will learn ukubhalela amadoda incwadi. So the gap between amadoda nabantu besifazane vele nje izohlala ingaka.
Yes. And some of them were taken out of school once they could write the list of igrosa, or once they could write a letter to the husband in Joburg. They'll be like, hey, now you can stop going to school.
Yeah, so bekunzima, and that is why we thought, let us focus on women. Njoba kukhona men's forum. Why not have a woman lineup for comedy?
What are some of the challenges as a woman comedian that you face?
Like yabona mangabe ngenza ama-fly and then a guy sees me anga recognize ukuthi ngikhona we line up athi nawe uyahlekisa yini, ngithi mina no, I'm just promoting. Athi hayi bese ngishilo ukuthi ha wena.
Why are you even still doing your own flyers? I miss me.
I love it. Ngiyathanda mina ukukhuluma nabantu. Like I will give some to abantu abazongiphushela, but now if I'm going to gym, I'll give someone a gym. If I'm walking to a parking, abantu engizohlangana nabo endleleni to the car.
Oh, like that. I get it like that. I got proper full on promotion.
Suke kuukuthi I'm going, if I'm in a restaurant ngikhuluma noSenjiwe and I see someone engibona sengathi umuntu wecomedy, hey yabona ngiyenza kanjani.
Hey, and were you in the gym?
Yeah.
When are you gonna take me?
Oh, sis, you must come.
But your body is fine now. Can you go to the gym for me, so that I can also have a December body?
But sis, your body is popping. Yabona khona this outfit. Aye, because like I think you're always wearing isn't a cover, so I've never really gotten my hips like yonke into isendaweni yayo. Hayi yabona bakuthiwa impela bengisika nhlangothi zombili hawo
abe sikhuluma okunye abe sikhuluma ukuthi siyambeza next week
ngabe siyambeza but ke amanye it's just ngiyayithanda i-comedy